Hi everybody, my name is Dane and I'm here today to talk to you about this GrimmSpeed gasket. This is the Turbo 2 J-pipe gasket for the 15 to 21 WRX, also fits 14 to 18 Forester XT. This is part number 020033, and what it is, compared to stock, this is 22% thicker. It is a 7-layer, multi-layer stainless steel gasket with a stainless steel fire ring. This gasket is one of the best ones that you can get. The factory gasket does a good job. This one just does it better. So if you are replacing your J-pipe, or if you have to pull your J-pipe off for any odd reason, don't reuse the factory gasket. Use this GrimmSpeed gasket, install it with confidence. It's good stuff, it'll last, and it simply works. We have them available here at importimageracing.com.